What if I tell Tamil Nadu just made a history? Yes, that could change India forever. Starting from 2025, this year, every student from class 6 to 9 will learn AI, coding, digital tools, not in workshop but part as a regular schooling system. Kids will learn Scratch, Python, machine learning basics, simulation in physics, and interactive math sessions, all before even they reach high school. This isn't just cool tech, it's a smart policy. Tamil Nadu is preparing students for the future, not for the past. Big players like Oracle, Google, Microsoft are already investing on skilling students, and now Tamil Nadu is building its right into the public schooling system. No other Indian state have done it yet. Tamil Nadu is thinking long term, aiming for 1 trillion economy by 2031 by growing digital talent from schools itself. And this isn't just privilege, this is access. Not a optional schooling, it's a default digital literacy. If you believe other states should follow, drop your thoughts in comments, like, comment and share with your tech enthusiasts, and of course follow for more tech updates like this.